Tradewinds service videos are produced as troubleshooting aids for operators of our generators. In the majority of cases, generator start failures and shutdowns can be attributed to fueling and lack of oil pressure. This video goes through the basic checks to be made in the event of your set having a failure to start or shutting down condition. Press the Run button to attempt to start the generator. The systems will initiate start attempts. The generator will go through 3 to 4 crank attempts. When a generator fails to start, the digital alarm display will indicate overcrank as indicated here on the control panel. Following a failure, the first course of action is to check fueling, with the first fuel check being to make sure there is sufficient fuel in the tank. All Tradewinds fuel tanks are fitted with a fuel level indicator. If the fuel level is okay, the next fuel check is to examine the fuel piping, fittings, and filter connections. After verifying the fuel connections are correct, the operator should then check if the fuel solenoid is operating. This check can be undertaken by connecting a voltmeter across the solenoid terminals as indicated. Having verified that fueling is not the problem, the operator should remove and check the ignition fuse. On the electronic governors, the ECU ignition fuse should be checked. Having verified that fueling was not the cause of failure, the operator should proceed to check the other most common cause of failure, oil pressure. The oil level is checked by first removing the oil stick to wipe it clean, then reinserting it and removing it to visually check the oil level to determine if the set failed to start or shut down because of low oil pressure due to insufficient oil. When the generator shuts down due to oil pressure, the digital display will show failure due to oil pressure. In addition to the digital panel showing low oil pressure, the alarm indicator light will be lit. Having corrected any fueling or oil issues, the operator has to clear the alarm by pressing the off button as indicated. Pressing the off button will also clear the alarm display light as indicated. Having now checked the most common reasons for failure to start or shut down, the generator is now ready to run.